Hi, I'm going to show you 3 Bovis scales that you might be interested in. First unit you see here is the linear style Bovis scale, 0 to 100,000 units. You can also add a coat hanger or a piece of copper wire and bend it as shown, and that will enhance the usage of this Bovis scale. Next unit I'm going to tell you about is this half-moon shaped Bovis scale, 0 to 100,000 units. This one, you could also use a dowsing rod if you want. And you could make that dowsing rod with a coat hanger or a piece of house wire that's 12 inches long, and then you could bend it at 5 inches. That could be the handle, and 7 inches of it could be sticking straight out. And you would kind of stick your hand with the dowsing rod at the base, kind of where it says where the no and yes cross. And you could ask it questions and watch for movement with the dowsing rod. You could use it that way, or you could use a pendulum as well. Last Bovis scale I'm going to show is the circular style Bovis scale that I have. That's 0 to 14,000 units. It has extra space for more values and experimentation, and you can use it with a pendulum or a dowsing rod. All right, here's a quick recap of what you'd be getting if you decide to purchase the 3 Bovis scales. You get the half circular shaped Bovis scale, and it comes with simple instructions. You would get the linear style Bovis scale with simple instructions, including how to add the wire that enhances the unit. And you would get the circular style Bovis scale, and with the simple instructions as well. And there you have it.